What's up guys, Aaron here with Grant again, and we're gonna do another accessory video. This time, it's gonna be on the Polaris 570, so check this out.
Hey, Grant here. Today I'm gonna show you a few accessories we have in our 570. Right up front, we have our 570 front bumper. Also a worn winch installed. On this front bumper, the Haas is mounted right on the face. In the front end here, we have our Billet front Sprague that goes in your diff, beefier, stronger. We also have our upgraded LED headlights. We do have a few vendors that we use through here. EFX tires, KMC rims. Also on this unit, we have our Billet clutch cover, which you can't see right now, but it's on there. Another cool little feature is our quick release side panel tabs here. Pop them on and off, clean by your engine, or fix anything you need. We have our bling bling package, which is our Billet gas cap, Billet brake reservoir, Billet throttle housing, and Billet throttle lever. Another thing we have on this vehicle is our battery relocate kit. It takes the battery from the front of the vehicle next to the prop shaft, moves it to the rear. Easier accessibility for charging, and this pretty much gets out of the way of any of the debris that could be there. On this vehicle, we have our rear grab bar. Simple design, but it's really handy for moving the vehicle around. Also comes with two kind of tie down points for if you're putting anything on your rear rack, just kind of another area you can use to strap down. We have our 2-inch receiver. You can still use your stock OEM receiver. And there you go. That's just some of the things we have here on our Sportsman 570. Of course, there's always more coming.
All right guys, there you go. That's the 570 Polaris Sportsman that we have here with all of our Quad Logic accessories on it. So if you like that, hit the link below. That's gonna bring you to our website. You can buy all our products there. All right, you guys have a nice spring.